Welcome to our channel. Today we how to shorten links using Bitly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Bitly website at bitly.com. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your details and set up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Bitly dashboard. Locate the Create button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Create button to start shortening a link. A pop-up window will appear asking you to paste your long URL. Copy the long URL you want to shorten and paste it into the provided field. After pasting, click on the Create button in the pop-up window. Bitly will generate a shortened link for you. You can customize the link by clicking on the Customize option if desired. Enter your preferred custom ending in the provided field. Once you're satisfied with the link, click on the Save button. Your shortened link will now be available on the dashboard. You can copy it directly from the dashboard to use wherever you need. To track the performance of your link, use the analysis tools provided in your Bitly account. That's how you can easily shorten links using Bitly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.